The monthly sponsor for October is HalloweenCostumes.com.
I've been a construction worker for a few years now. Not very good at it. I'm sorta weak and clumsy compared to my coworkers. Yeah, I'll be right there. Let me just grab the hammer. I got it. No, I got it. Okay, maybe I don't got it. But lately, believe it or not, I wanted to pursue my real dream of becoming a teacher. I found out about Brave New Talent through a coworker of mine who knows where my true talent lies. He also said that I shouldn't be doing construction. So, there's that. But, regardless, finding your perfect career is about discovering if the culture is a good fit, building that knockout resume, and acing the interview. Brave New Talent is designed to help you with all of that. They connect you to managers, HR professionals, and recruiters who can make that next career jump happen. So check it out for yourself at BraveNewTalent.com.
HalloweenCostumes.com. Not just for sexy red-headed costumes.